So process is subtraction. After collecting the answer, we have to collect the sign of bigger number. So that 8 has minus sign. So my common difference of that sequence is minus 5, but not plus 5. And a value we have, d value we find out it, and n value they given. So we need to find the value of S22. So therefore we have to go for sum of n terms of AP, but not nth term of AP. So therefore we know that we have one formula with us. What we have, that is the familiar formula, that is Sn is equals to n over 2 over of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So that is Sn means S22 is equals to n value is 22 over 2 of 2a means 2 of a value is how much we have 8 it is plus n value. They ask to find the sum of 22 terms, therefore n value is 22 minus 1 of d. Common difference of the terms is minus 5. Write it in bracket, otherwise you will may do wrong. So that is S22 is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Is it right? So therefore 11 of 2 8s are 16 plus is there plus of 22 minus 1 it is 21 of minus 5. Next, that is S22 is equals to 11 of 16 plus into minus 21 5 how much it is? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now S22 is equals to 11, right as it is, of 16 minus 105. So again we have two like terms having unlike signs. So we must and should do subtraction, that is subtract 16 from 105. Subtract 16 from 105. That is 5 minus 6 it is not possible. So therefore take one as carry. So 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 will it is 15 minus 6 it is 9. So here we have 9. 9 minus 1 it is 8. After this we can cross check our answer also. 9 plus 6 it is 15. 1 carry. Again 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. It is 105. So therefore my answer is 89. But here 16 has plus sign and 105 has minus sign. So therefore my answer is minus 89, but not plus 89. So in these problems, this kind of problems we may do wrong. Why? Because signs is very important. Again, when we find out the value of d and here we are subtracting, but if you collect the plus sign, you will make wrong. It is minus sign. So therefore S22 is equal to 11 of minus 89 I got. So just subtract, multiply those two numbers, that is 89 into 11. So 189 is 89, again 189 is 89. So 9 plus 8 it is 17, 1 carry 9. So what I got? 979. That is S22 is equals to 979. What kind of 979 it is, whether it is belongs to plus sign or negative sign? Very simple. 11 has plus sign and 89 has minus sign. Therefore multiply the signs, plus into minus. Our answer is minus 979. Terms of an AP is 1050 means 1050 and its first term is 10. Find the 20th term. So first of all write down the given data whatever he given. So first term means what it is? A. What he given? 10. Again they given if the sum of first 14 terms, is nothing but S14. Is it right? That is equals to how much it is? 1050. Here S14 is nothing but, here in the place of n what we have? 14. So therefore n value is 14. Next, and what you need to find? find its 20th term, means A20 is equals to question mark. He not at all asked you to find the sum of 20 terms. He asked 20th term. Very carefully we have to observe here. He given sum of 14 terms. You need to find 20th term of that AP. So if you want to find any term of the AP, we must and should need two required unknown factors. That is, one is A value, another one is D. Common difference we must and should need. So by using this data, first we need to find the value of D. Then we can go for 20th term. So first use these three factors and find the value of D here. Now just for this we know that we have one formula. What we have, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of D. That is S14 is equals to n by 2 means it is 14 divided by 2 of 2a. What is the value of a? It is 10 plus n minus 1 of n value is 14 minus 1 of D value. Do you know that? No, don't know. So write D as it is. Now S14 they mentioned here. How much it is? 1050. Is it right? That is equals to 2 ones are 2 sevens are. That is 7 of 2 tens are 20 plus 14 minus 1 it is 7 times of D. Sorry, 14 minus 1 it is 13. 13D. Now according to cross multiplication, send that 7 down. 1050 divided by 7 is equals to 20 plus 13D. With 7 divide 1050. 1050 with 7 divide. Maybe it is possible or not, but let us see. 7 ones are 7 minus 10 minus 7 it is 3. 5 is there 5. 7 5 are 35. Is it right? So 0 is there 0. It means 7 150 is it is 1050. If you want to cross verify, just 150 into 7 you can verify. 7 0 0, 7 5 are 35, 3 carry, 7 is 7 plus 3 10. Yes, we got it. So therefore with 7 we can divide 1050 by 150 times. So that 7 1 is 7, 750 is it is 1050. So now again 150 write as it is. According to rule of transformation, this send this 20 to LHS side. So plus 20 will become minus 20. That is equals to 13 times of D. So 150 minus 20 it is 130. That is equals to 13D, or D is equals to, just according to cross multiplication again send this 13 to downwards of LHS. That is 130 divided by 13. That is 13 ones are 13, 13 tens are 130. So therefore D value is equals to 10. Yes. We find out a common difference, and he given the first term is AP, first term of that AP is 10, and common difference also 10 we got. Now we can find out any term of that AP, whether it is 20th term or 100th term or it may be 1000th term. So now we need to find A20. Is it right? So now we know that what is the general form of 20th term of AP? I think A20 is equals to, what is the general form of A20? It is A plus 19D. Is it right? Yes. 20th term of AP general form is A plus 19D. That is A20 is equals to, A value is 10 plus 19 times of D. D value also 10 it is. Now A20 is equals to 10 plus 19 tens are, it is 190. Then A20 is equals to 200. So what he has to find 20th term of 30 AP is 200. So the question is like this: how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that their sum is 78? AP is like this: 24, 21, 18 and so on. And for this we have to write down given data. What they given? How many terms? How many terms is nothing but n. That is, n is question mark. How many terms of the AP? So by using AP, you can write down A value, that is 24, and D value, it is 21 minus 24 is nothing but minus 3, but not plus 3. Be careful. And what he given? Sum means Sn value they given, that is equals to how much? 78. Sn value they given, that is 78. How many terms, like these terms, how many terms you have to add to get 78 as the sum? This is the given data what we have here. For this also we have to use the same formula what we discussed in the last previous problems, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. That is Sn value they given. Is it right? How much it is? 78 is equals to n by 2. Do you know the value of n here? No. So therefore write as it is, n by 2 of 2a, that is 2 times of a value is 24 plus n minus, do you know the value of n? No, that is n minus 1 of d. What is the d value here? Minus 3. Write it inside the brackets. Now according to cross multiplication, 78 into 2 is equals to n of 24 twos are, how much it is? 48 plus, just multiply with minus 3, minus into plus, minus 3 into n, 3n, minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3, that is 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15, it is 156 is equals to n of 48 plus 3, how much it is? 51 minus 3n. Now with n multiply there, 156 is equals to 51 into n, it is 51n minus, plus into minus, minus 3n into n, it is 3n square. So according to rule of transformation, send both two terms to LHS, both two terms send it that side. What you will get? That is minus 3n square will become plus 3n square, plus 51n become minus 51n, and plus 156, it is like that only, plus 156 is equals to RHS side, what it is there remaining? It is 0. So here we have one quadratic equation. So 3n square minus 51n plus 156. Again, up to here we can use our basic knowledge, but from here onwards we have to use some of our extra knowledge. There is any one common factor is there in the terms or not, we have to check out once. See, 3 is there, 5 plus 1 it is 6, 6 is the multiple of 3, again 1 plus 5 it is 6, 6 plus 6 it is 12, again 12 is also multiple of 3. Therefore, in our previous class 8th, first chapter, divisibility tests of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to 12 we learnt. So that what the divisibility test of 3, it states that sum of the digits of the given number is a multiple of 3, then the whole number is exactly divisible by 3. So therefore 3, 51 and 150 will exactly divisible by 3, or you can take 3 as the common factor, or you can divide all terms by 3, all terms by 3. So therefore 3 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 21, 3 sevens are 21, again 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6. So what we got remaining is n square minus 17n plus 52 is equals to, what is our answer? 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros 0. So our, again it is 0 only. So here we have one quadratic equation. What we done? So we reduced the quadratic equation into simplest form, that's all. Now we have here one quadratic equation, or we can use factorization of trinomial. Factorization of trinomial, how to solve it? So 52 into n square, it is 52 n square. So we need to find two terms, two factors whose product is 52 and whose difference or sum will be equal to middle term of the trinomial. So that is 52 means 4 13s are, or 13 4s are. Here to get plus 52, the merchant should need for both terms plus plus or minus minus. But here middle term has negative sign, so therefore I should collect minus 4n and minus 13n. Just check out again, minus into minus it is plus, 4 13s are 52, n into n square, as it is tallied. Again for middle term, minus 4n minus 13n, it is minus 17n. So therefore what we find out that friends of 52 are very suitable for the middle term of our required trinomial, that is n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equals to 0. So now n of, take n as the common factor here, n of n minus 13. Again here I should, if one factor is n minus 13 means another one factor is also n minus 13 is equals to 0. What we forgetted here, just n is there already, so remaining what it is there, minus 4, write it here. You can verify your answer, minus into plus minus, 4 into n 4n, minus into minus it is plus 4 13, that is 52, as it is tallied. Now again in these two binomial, in this binomial you can collect again common factor, it is n minus 13 of, so in this factor, in this term remaining what it is there, n is there, in this term it is minus 4 is equals to 0. So therefore n minus 13 is equals to 0, or n minus 4 is equals to 0. So therefore our required value n is equals to minus 13, send it that side, that is plus 13, or n is equals to minus 4, send that side, what it is plus 4. Therefore in this type of AP you can collect 4 terms to get the sum of 78, or in this AP you can collect 13 terms to get the sum of 78 for this AP only. So that our required answer is n value is 13 is 1 and n value is 4. N value 13 is also correct and n value 4 is also correct. So this is the way of simplifying this kind of problem. The seventh year. Seventh year here means A7 is equals to 700. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find in the first option what he has to find the production in the first year. First year, the production of first year means A value is question mark. Next, second option, what he has to find the production in the 10th year means A7 is equals to question mark. And third option, what he has to find the total production in the first 7 years is nothing but S7. Total production of 7 years all 7 years how many TVs he manufactured, that is S7 is equals to question. This is the data he given. Just he represented two terms of the AP. Just he represented in the data just three terms, two terms only represented. But we have to find out first term, we have to find out seventh term, we have to find out S7. For all these things, we must and should need value of A and D. So N value, however, E only we mentioned there. So therefore, first of all, we need to find the value of A and value of D.
2 minutes.
So that is A3, general form is A plus 2D is equals to 600, and A7 is A plus 6D is equals to 700. So I will call it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So equation number 2 minus equation number 1 implies that A plus 6D is equals to 700 and A plus 2D is equals to 600. What we have to do? Subtraction. So change the signs for second equation. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 6D minus 2D is this. 4D is equals to 700 minus 600 is 100. So that 4 ones are 425 are. So the common difference of that APE will be 25. So by using D value 25, so equation number 1 implies that what is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equals to 600. That is A is equals to 600 minus 2 times of D. D value is 25. That is A is equals to 600 minus 225, so it is 50. So A value is 600 minus 50, it is 550. So that what he asked the first option is we find out already it is. What it is? Production in the first year. In the first year he produced 550 TV sets. What he need to find again? 7th year how many TVs he manufactured. So that is nothing but A plus 6D is nothing but general form of A7. That is equals to A plus 6 times of D. That is A7 is equals to in the first year 550 plus 6 times of D is 25. That is A7 is equals to 550 plus 25 6 are 6 5 is 30, 3 carry, 6 2 is 80, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 it is 15. That is A7 is equals to 550 plus 150. So that is 0, 5 plus 5 it is 10, 1 carry, it is 7. Again, second option what is given?
Close ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
The production is the 10th year, 8 10.
Close ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
So A10 he has to find. So therefore, in the place of A10 means A10 is 9D. So that is 9 times A10. That is 925. How much it is? 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 4, 22. That is 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 775. That is in the 10th year they produced 775 TVs. So finally last question he has to find S7. S7 means total production in the 7 years. In the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year and 7th year. How much it is? So first we have to find out the
ಮಾಡಿ
So that is S7 is equals to n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of D. That is S7 is equals to 7 over 2 of 2 times of A value is 550 plus n minus 1 of how many n value is 7 minus 1 of D value is 25. That is S7 is equals to 7 by 2. We can't divide 7 from by 2. So therefore 550 is how much it is? 1100 or 1100 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 of 25. That is S7 is equals to 7 by 2 of 1100 plus 625, that is 150. That is S7 is equals to 7 by 2 of 1100 plus 150 will be 0, 5, 2, 1. So by with 2 divide, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That is S7 is equals to 625 into 7. That is S7 is equals to 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 to the 14 plus 3 17, 1 carry, 6 7 to 42 plus 1 43. So totally in 7 years he manufactured 4,375 TV sets.
ಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವಾಗ